Hello, children. Hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. Today, we are going to have a quiz competition. Now, how can we have a quiz competition as your opponent team is not physically present with you? So, to form two teams, you can be in one team and ask your parents to be in another team. So, here are some questions on the screen, and you will have to answer the questions. Now, after each question, you will be given the answer, and for every right answer, you will get 2 points. So, at the end of all the questions, calculate your point and your parents' point and see who won the quiz. So, let us begin. So, the first question of our quiz for today is, what is the name of the giraffe in Haldi's adventure? The options are Haldi, Smiley, and Chiku. So, out of these three, which is the correct one? Okay. The correct answer is Smiley. If your answer is correct, give 2 points for your answer. Now, let us move on to the second question. What is the meaning of the word wand? The options are a long, thin, magical stick, an ordinary, thin stick, a fat and long stick. So, the correct answer for this question is a long, thin, magical stick. If you are again correct, then give 2 points to yourself for the answer. Now, let us move on to the third question. Which is the correct plural form of the word foot? Foots, Footes. The second option, Feets. And the third option is Feet. So, out of these three, please select the correct option. Okay. The answer of the foot for the plural form is feet. Feet. Okay. Children, who is being more correct? Parents or you? Okay, if your parents are correct, ask them also to give 2 points for their correct answer. Now, next number 4 is select the group with even numbers. So, out of the 3 options, whichever is even, you have to choose the correct option. 3, 4, 5. So, which is the correct option for the even number? It is option B, number 4, because 4 is an even number. Because 4 can be divided by 2. When a number can be divided by 2, we say that it is an even number. So, only number 4 can be divided by 2. Whereas 5 or 3 cannot be divided. So, B is the correct option. If you are right, please give 2 points for your answer again. Next, number 5. Who fights for our country against our enemies? I think if I don't give the option also you will be able to say. Okay, but I'll give you the option. A. Doctors. B. Carpenters. C. Soldiers. So children, I think you all know who fight for our country against our enemies. Yes, it is the soldiers. So I know you all are correct. Give yourself 2. And I know that your parents are also correct. Ask them also to give 2 points for the correct answer. Okay, next, number 6. Question number 6. Okay, if a bunch has 10 bananas, how many bananas are there in 3 such bunch? So children, if one bunch, a bunch means one bunch has 10 bananas, how many bananas will be there in 3 such bunch? The options are 30, 50, 100, 3. Yes, look at the options. Number A, 30, number B, 50, and number C, 103. So, tell me which is the correct option? Yes, it is 30 because one bunch 10 bananas, 3 bunch 10 into 3 will give you 30. Okay, next, question number 7. Which is the correct expanded form of 339? So this is the number, and for this number, which is the correct expanded form? Option A, 300 plus 03 plus 9. Option B, 300 plus 30 plus 9. Option C, 300 plus 39 plus 0. Okay, so out of the 3 options, choose your correct option. Okay, I think you all have chosen the answer. Okay, well, it is option B, 300 plus 30 plus 9, which makes 339. Again, if you are correct, give 2 for your answer. If your parents are correct, ask them also to give 2 for their answers. Okay, next, number 8. Out of these words, which is the correctly written proper noun? That means the correct proper noun you have to choose, which is written correctly. You can see M-I-T-A, Mita, T-A-J-M-A-H-A-L, Taj Mahal, G-A-N-G-A, Ganga. So all are proper noun, but which proper noun is written correctly? So choose your option. I'm giving you some time. Look at it properly and give the answer. Yes, well, it is Taj Mahal. So T is written in capital, Mahal is written in capital. But for Ganga, G is in small and M is also in small. The rule for proper noun is that it always begins with a capital letter. So Taj Mahal is written in capital and the other two is written in small. Okay, so let us move on to the next question, that is number 9. Okay, which is the correct syllable of the word alphabet. Alphabet. So you have to break the word alphabet into correct syllable. So see option A, ALPHA slash BET. Alphabet. B ALLPHFA BET bet. Third option ALLPHAB fub ET alphabet. So out of the three option, which is the correct option? Please select your option. I'm giving you some time for this. Try to break the word very nicely, correctly. Spell and break it. Okay, I think you all have finished. Okay, so the correct option is alphabet. ALLPHFA bet. Option B is the correct answer. Now, number 10. Number 10, look at it properly. Very nicely you look at it carefully. Complete the series. It is complete the series. 9, 12, 15. What is the next number that will be in the blank space out here? Option A 20, option B 18, option C 23. So which is the correct option? Please choose the correct option out of the three. Look at the series properly. See the jumps and count the number of jumps and you will be able to find 9, 12, 15. What is the next one? Okay, the next number will be 18. Yes, because 3 steps the numbers are being jumped ahead in 3 steps. 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18. So the correct answer is 18. So children, for this you are right or your parents are right? I think your parents are right. Okay, you can also be right. So if both of you are right, give 2 points for this answer. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question, that is number 11. What is the opposite of the word wise? The options are A. Foolish, B. Smart, C. Beautiful. So what is the opposite of wise? I think you have found your answer. Yes, the opposite of wise is foolish. Wise means very smart or cunning. So opposite of wise is foolish. Okay. Next, number 12. Yes, number 12 is, who is the poet of the poem First Day at School? That means poet of the poem means who has written the poem First Day at School. Alan Potter, Ellen Fisher, or Ellen Marker. So who has written the poem? That means you have to say the name of the poet. Once again I am telling, Alan Potter, Alan Fisher, Alan Marker. Okay, the correct answer for this question is Alan Fisher. The correct answer is Alan Fisher. So children, is it interesting or not? Oh well, I know it is interesting. Yes, I can feel that. Though I can't get your response right away, but I can feel that. I know it is interesting to you. You're finding it interesting. Okay, let us move on to the next question. That is number 13. Choose the correct spelling. Which is the correct spelling you choose out of these? WONDER. Wonder. WOANDER. Wonder. WANDER. Wonder. Once again, I am telling the option. WONDER. Wonder. WOANDER. Wonder. WANDER. Wonder. So I think you all have selected the answer. Okay, the correct answer is WONDER. It is wonder. Okay, fine. Now let us move on to question number 14. Okay, look at it properly, this one. What is the place value of 7 in the digit 173? So in the digit 173, so what is the value of 7? The options are 7 hundredths, B 7 tenths, number C 7 ones. Okay, once again I am telling the option. Option A 7 hundredths, option B 7 tenths, option C 7 ones. Yes, see which is the value, correct value of 7? It is 7 tenths, because 3 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, and 1 is in hundredths place. So it is 7 tenths. You can also write 7 tenths as 70. Okay. Now the last question for our quiz today is, where was Haldi going? The options are A college, B school, C hospital. So children, I think this question is very easy and you all know the answer. Yes, the correct answer is school. Okay, so I think you have all enjoyed the quiz show. Yes, and let me know in the comment box after calculating your point who won the game, you or your parents. So thank you very much and have a great day.